Okay, we are going to get these. Hey, it's me, and obviously you kind of know already. This is a balloon video. I also have a gaming video. Get this one. You can see all the balloons that just came up, and those two are just coming up, and you can kind of see one of the balloon is an American. I forgot the name of the flag. American flag, where it's white and red. I'm trying to think of the name. What is the flag name of our country?
American balloon? Yep.
American balloon? I'm not sure, but you can tell. And you can see. Look at all those balloons. Those are all just came up.
4 or 5 over there.
Yeah, no kidding. But there's more over here.
That's true.
So they're missing out.
I mean, the wind has really died down.
I don't think they're going to be able to fly.
We might have one land right here.
Right here?
We might.
Oh, I can see it. One is probably going to land right here, the purple one. It looks like. One is landing.
No, he's not.
It looks like it. Shh, they don't know. They don't know. Look over there. You can see the balloons. They're so pretty.
There's one that says Iowa on it. Get that one in there.
Okay. There's one that says Iowa on it.
Iowa Realty.
Okay. And here's a close-up shot, and I forgot to get this one in there. The red one, the arrows. And then there's this one. Then there's all those ones you can see. Ooh, that one. You can see the Iowa one really close to us.
Hey, look at this guy.
Look at that guy. He is landing, right?
He's coming down.
You can see he is going where he... Wait a minute.
He's going to land on that guy's fire.
He's going to land on the fire.
Well, there's a bunch up in there now.
Oh, you can see the American one I was talking about. Look at all those balloons. They came up. Then there's that one. And let's go back to that. They're moving over. They're going to land on that box. They're going to land right on the box, I think.
He's going up now.
He's going back up. But you can kind of get a close shot, though. Woo! Okay. I'm just getting the purple one because it's my favorite color. Oh, and you can see the Iowa one.
Iowa
Realty. But look at all those balloons over there. Hooray.
There's one landing over there.
Oh, yeah. There, you can see some of those. The purple one is back in the sky.
Yep, he is.
And then you can see those two that actually came out of the tree, finally. Took forever. And it looks like all of them are mostly heading that way and landing in the cornfield. And probably hitting a tree and tearing up their balloon. Should get that one. There's Iowa Realty. Right there. That's our car door. Sorry. The purple one is back in the the sky, by the way. Look at that one. It's pretty. It's rainbowed. And look at that white one we didn't get. And there's some more coming up. You can see all those over there. And then you can see...
Right there.
I know that. Let me get the book. I'm sorry. I was looking at balloons. And there's like those 3 that just came up. Look at all those balloons. Those are really close to us. You can see it. And there's one coming up, but look at that.
No text found at that location.
Sorry.
Is it recording?
Yes, it is. It is still recording.
Okay.
And there's that one real close up. And then you can see all those ones really close up too. Those ones are still kind of far, but this one, look at that one. You can definitely see that one. And then you can see that balloon, that's a black and yellow one. And it's the end of the video. Bye.